Excited ang pumunta sa Amerika si Tom Rodriguez, hindi lang para magbigay saya sa kapuso o sikat ka-concert, kundi para mabisita rin ang kanyang amang may sakit. Let's watch this.
Mga kapuso, ngayong umaga, meron tayong kasamang very, very special. Sa matagal-tagal din nating hindi nakatsikahan dito sa Unang Hirit kasi nagbakasyon. Kaya nandito siya ngayon, Tom
May
Rodriguez.
bakas pa ng bakasyon yun. Dito Lar, happy to be here.
Kumusta? Kumusta naman?
Enjoy naman. At least I was with my family. I got to see everyone there and spend time with them.
Yung bakasyon nyo, of course, kasama mo si Carla no, sa bakasyon.
She was there.
So, so how was it?
Everyone loved her, and I never had a doubt for even 1 second. Kasi she's a very, very lovable person.
Kumusta ang daddy mo?
He's a fighter, so he's fighting. Medyo it's a tough time for us, but we're not giving up. He's in recovery right now dapat. Kaso we recently just got some news that it's back.
At ngayon, ang unang gagawin mo, pagbalik mo, itong show ninyo sa California sa January 22. Can you tell us more about it?
Sa Terrace Theater in Long Beach. Kasama ko dun, dami. Sila Dennis, sila Jeneline, si Alden, si Betong, si Lovey.
Tom, meron kaming ilang challenge. Ito yung Would You Rather Challenge. Would you rather see yourself in a magazine or as a character in comics?
Oh, as a character na comic book. That would be fun. Because I grew up with comics and even ngayon, may mga ilan akong kwento na sinusulat na gusto kong gawing comics din sana.
Would you rather choose love songs or rap?
Sino ba naman ako para mag-rap? Pero I've been a fan for a very long time. Pero bago ko lang discover na it's a great outlet pala to express yourself.
Would you rather spend a day on the beach with Carla or have a romantic dinner with her?
Oh, I think we've had a lot of romantic dinners, so maybe beach.
Nakasama po natin siyempre si Tom at tamang-tama dahil paalis na naman. Medyo matagal-tagal na naman natin siyang hindi makakasama, makakatsikahan. Pero we would like to thank you for giving us this opportunity.
Thank you ulit sa pag-interview sa akin dito. Mamimiss ko kayo lahat. Andito na ako. Naku, di naman ako wala titular. Anytime. Konting kalabit lang. Dito ulit ako.
Tabangan na natin yung next project.
Yep. I'm excited.